Marketing 101.
Marketing for 21st century.
Marketing in the 21st century has evolved significantly, driven by technological advancements and shifting consumer behaviors.
Core principles, evolving practices.
Customer centricity remains paramount. At its heart, marketing is still about understanding and meeting customer needs and wants. However, in the 21st century, this is done with a much higher level of personalization and data-driven insights. Value creation and exchange. Marketing involves creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers. This value extends beyond just the product or service itself, encompassing the entire customer experience. Building relationships. The focus has shifted from transactional marketing to relationship marketing. Building long-term, meaningful relationships with customers is crucial for sustainable success.
Digital transformation. The rise of the internet, social media, and mobile devices has fundamentally changed how marketing is conducted. Digital marketing is now an integral part of any comprehensive marketing strategy.
Data-driven decision-making. Marketing in the 21st century is heavily reliant on data analytics. Marketers use data to understand customer behavior, measure campaign effectiveness, and optimize their strategies.
Emphasis on ethical and social responsibility. Consumers are increasingly concerned about the ethical and social impact of businesses. Marketers must consider these factors in their strategies and communicate their values transparently.
Key aspects of 21st century marketing. Personalization, tailoring marketing messages and experiences to individual customer preferences. Content marketing, creating valuable and engaging content to attract and retain customers. Social media marketing, leveraging social media platforms to build brand awareness, engage with customers, and drive sales.
Search engine optimization (SEO), optimizing online content to rank higher in search engine results. Data analytics, using data to track marketing performance and make informed decisions. Omnichannel marketing, providing a seamless customer experience across all channels. In essence, marketing in the 21st century is a dynamic and multifaceted discipline that requires marketers to be adaptable, data-driven, and customer-focused.